All right, we'll get filming today. This is Chris with Car Cave, Aiken, South Carolina. We have a really cool Defender here today. It was out last night to do some social media, a little bit of film. I'm gonna get pulled up, so we'll start it up for you, move it in our shop here. If you don't know about us, we have multiple locations, a lot of overseas locations. So Belgium, Spain. Has a good throaty sound when it starts. Cyprus, Holland, Athens, Greece. Did I say Belgium? I'm driving and talking. So this was actually our colleague Roel with Car Cave Belgium. This was his personal car for a while. I think about 2 years. And I think he picked up another Defender and some other cool toys. So he decided it was time to let her go. We got some lights, blinkers. We've driven this thing though consistently as a team through 7 different countries. I've driven it personally in 4. Never let us down. We did a rally. Carlos with our Spain location and I rode in it for a supercar rally with limitless car experiences. We went through Holland, Germany, and Belgium. I know Roel drove at all those locations, plus Spain, Greece, America. So a good traditional color. That's a Heritage Edition color, that Grasmere Green. You have the heavy duty hubs on it, the extended flares, 5-centimeter lift. The Cooper discovered 305s. The interior was just redone after Roel decided to put it up for sale, so all the leather work is fresh. Yeah, it's been well taken care of. So Peter, our Belgian-based mechanic, was the one responsible for making sure she stayed on road the whole time. It's a 89 Defender 110, so it's a long wheelbase. Was a factory built 3.5. It's running fuel injection now, so you could hear that when I started a little bit. The fuel injection is the same thing you'd find on a Discovery, Range Rover, our NES Defenders. So it's running the ECU that you'd find on the North American spec on a 3.5 block. Plenty of power. I drove it down the autobahn. It has good road balance. It shifts nice. It's smooth. It's well put together. Great color. We do have a black soft top for it. We've just been driving around with no top. It's in the back. Kick down the rear tailgate. So all the seats tip up. Soft top is black. You have your safety devices, heavy duty hood stick, so you have some roller protection in the instance that happens. You have stainless exhaust, Momo steering wheel. Got some stainless shift knobs, the excess patterned seats. You have your LED headlights, your smoked LED marker lamps, turn signals. It's a smooth top on the wing tops instead of the checker plate. We've done that a few times. I like the look a little bit better than checker plate. But yeah, all around great car. We've enjoyed it. It stayed with us for a while. It will make someone very happy. So that is the walk around. If y'all have any questions, contact us here at Car Cave. We have some more video coming out. We're gonna do some driving video with it. Originally, I guess it was a Greek car, so dry climate, and that's a key thing you need to make sure you're looking for on these Defenders. We also have, as you can see, several others here in stock. If you made it so far through our video, do a lot of Land Cruisers, a lot of Defenders. Got a really cool BJ73 we did a swap on. Got more Land Rovers outside, and then we have a full shop back here. So we make the magic happen back here too. We have some Defenders we're working on, some Land Cruisers, an Escort, a Porsche, a few other cool things. So if you have any questions, it's Car Cave, www.carcaveusa.com, 803-262-4742. It can all be found on our YouTube page too.